Wait, I have to hold for these guys.
Wait, can I mark you on here?
Yeah!
Woo!
Yeah! Hold it up! Yeah.
Jeez, what's up with being so safe?
Bacon hater.
Look! Bacon hater!
Old man.
Jeez, you think
Son of a biscuit eating flamingo.
you'd think he'd appreciate bacon.
Poodle face penguin.
Maybe they just don't know how
Yeah,
to read.
that is my term.
Oh, here
Do
comes
not
one.
take it. Poodle face penguin.
Come on, dude, honk! 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 Honk!
And Jack, as my witness, knows that I came up with that.
Poodle face penguin?
Remember we were in the pool? I was like, you poodle face penguin?
Oh yeah. No one likes this anymore. That person
Lady,
looks.
you hate bacon!
She gave me the finger.
You hate
she
bacon,
did.
I hate you!
Dude, look,
You
the phone
liar.
is still here from the football from last week. She
That
read
was
it.
Miss Epperson! I mean, not Miss Epperson.
Stop naming people.
Name it! Come on, honk!
Dude, I think that was Thomas. No, I'm kidding. Or was it?
Honk! Honk!
Oh, they're
Oh,
looking.
yeah!
Oh, we got one. It was a little late though. Was that 1 or 2?
That was two.
So 9.
You guys are such safe drivers. What's a life without risk? Come on. Come on, honk! You suck! Oh, we're videoing?
Yes.
Dang it.
Ugh.
I love it going on.
Honk if you love cancer!
Hey, did you know I'm on YouTube, Connor?
No.
I am.
Serious?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
he's on my
He has
channel.
he has his own YouTube channel.
Nice, dude. Nice. 46?
Whoa.
46?
Yeah.
We've got a bunch of long honks now. Come on, honk! Honk! Woo!
Oh, that's 2 in a
Honking
row.
weren't that bad.
47.
47. Why am I getting all the long honks?
Because they love you.
See, old people weren't that bad. Dude, I never knew your mom was so fat. That lady was fat.
Mr. Bullshit.
47.
Hey,
Come on.
Jack,
Sting.
remember from the Simpsons movie, don't look where I'm pointing!
See, none of the cars going that way even look.
We'll see a few like had a long honk, but you know.
That lady was like,
what? Was like, what's happening?
I'm trying to spray the ice everywhere so this grass will grow.
It's never gonna grow.
Shut up.
Honk, don't be a wussy. Honk! Get off your phone, you unsafe driver!
Hey, Jack, watch this. Back.
Oh, they were doing this. They were putting on makeup in the car.
I'm gonna fly.
It's dangerous.
Come on. Oh! We have
He's
48.
turning
Wait,
it.
we have 47 or 48?
48.
48.
48.
Hey, dude, that car looks so stupid. That'd be hilarious if one of the guys
Jack,
from
we
like the
saw this truck
videos
last
saw.
time.
Uh-uh.
No, we didn't. Hey, lady!
It looked like John Cena.
Look!
I know.
Look! Ah!
Their windows were rolled up. They could hear you.
Ah! Ah! You suck! Get off your phone! Oh wait, that was just her hand. My bad.
Say, oh, you can do whatever you want.
Come on! Honk! That'd be freaking hilarious if like one of the people driving saw themselves on YouTube and then they like track
Sue.
us.
I'm gonna sue you guys.
No, that's to you. It's your YouTube.
Oh yeah. That's 2.
50.
50!
Oh, it's
We
50.
have to stop! Stop! Get down!
No, we gotta keep going.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da.